Thanks for staying with us. The Barisan Nasional candidate for the Pengkalan Kubu by-election, Mat Razi Mat Ail, has pledged to continue the legacy left by former State Assemblyman the late Datuk Nor Zahidi Omar. He believes that he can make good use of his experience working under the late Datuk Nor Zahidi for the past 23 years to solve several issues that have been troubling locals. Shawal Ahmad reports.
During his walkabout today, Mat Razi said if he is given the mandate by his voters, one of the things he would do is to revive several projects that had to be abandoned due to the former assemblyman's deteriorating health condition.
InsyaAllah, jika diberi mandat oleh rakyat di Pengkalan Kubu N01 ini pada 25 bulan nanti, saya akan bekerja keras, bekerja kuat untuk membantu kawasan N01 ini dalam berbagai aspek lah, termasuk soal-soal menjaga kebajikan masyarakat di sini dan juga pembangunan.
Mat Razi said he is determined to solve the recurrent flood issues in the constituency.
Di sini juga kawasan terlibat dengan banjir, termasuklah kawasan Palas Merah,